everyone. The first question is try to answer, everyone. First, how many rows are how many rows are there in a worksheet? 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 Answer this question, everyone. How many rows are there in a worksheet? How many rows are there in a worksheet? Anyone answer this question? जिसको पता है वो आंसर बताइए.
10,000. No, sir. क्या
10 lakh, not 10,000. It is
Yes,
10
sir.
lakh.
10,48,576.
576. Very good. Next question. How many columns are there in a worksheet? How many columns are there in a worksheet? How many?
Sir, 16,384.
How many columns are there in a worksheet? Next question is how many columns are there in a worksheet? The answer is 16,384. 16,384 is the right answer. 16,000. Next question. Which box? Question is which box shows the address of an active cell? Address of an active cell. Which box shows the address of an active cell?
Name box.
Sir, name box. Name box.
Shows the address of an active cell. Which
The
box
name box.
shows the address of an active cell? The answer is name box shows the address of an active cell. Name box shows the address of an active cell. Next question, everyone. Which symbol?
Nothing is written.
Yes, which symbol indicates that a formula is entered in a cell? Which symbol indicates that a formula is entered in a cell? Formula is entered in a cell.
Enter box.
The question is symbol.
Is equal to symbols.
The right answer is equal to symbol. Very good, Ayushi. The right answer is equal to symbol. Right answer is equal to symbol. Everyone is comfortable up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Next one. So next question. Next question is concentrate here, everyone, for the next question. Next question is, everyone concentrate. Each new workbook comes with how many worksheet? Comes with how many worksheet? worksheet?
Sir, 3.
The answer is each new
3
worksheet comes
worksheets.
with how many worksheets? The right answer is, what is the answer? 3.
Sir, 3.
Each new workbook comes with how many worksheets? Total 3 worksheets. Anyone have any confusion or any doubt in any question?
No, sir.
I am not going to share again these things. If anyone have any doubt, ask the question now only. Any question, anyone have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Okay.
विकराल ले लिखा है, विशाल ले लिखा है।
Now the
Sir,
next
Ravi
question.
is saying.
Next question. Concentrate for the next question, everyone. Which box? Question is, which box? Which box?
Okay. तो सुनिएता
Red.
Red is more visible. Okay. Which box? Which box represent? Which box represent? Represent? Which box represent all comparison? All comparison? All comparison? All comparison and decision in a flowchart. In a flowchart. Which box represent all comparisons and decision? All comparisons and decisions in a flowchart. All comparisons and decisions in a flowchart. Which box represent all comparison and decision in a flowchart? Answer this question, everyone.
Decision box.
The answer is
Sir, decision box. Decision box.
yes. The answer is decision box.
Decision box.
Decision box.
Box.
In the question itself, answer is given. See here, decision. So the answer is decision box. Next question. Which symbol? Which symbol are used to connect? Symbols are used to connect one part of flow chart to another. One part of flow chart to
Connector.
another. Which
Connector.
symbols are used to connect one part of flow chart to another? So the answer is connector. Very good. Connector. Connectors are used to connect one part of flowchart to another. Up to here, everyone is comfortable. Everyone is comfortable up to here.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Wait for a minute. Next question, everyone. Fill in the blanks is a pictorial representation. Dash is a pictorial representation of the steps. of the steps to solve a problem. To solve a problem.
Sir, flow chart.
Flow chart is a diagrammatic or pictorial representation of the steps to solve a problem. So the answer is flow chart.
Yes.
Very good, Ayushi.
Flow chart.
Flow chart is the right answer. Flow chart is the right answer. Flow chart is the right answer. Good. Flow chart. Now, what is the shape of processing box? What is the shape of processing box used within a flow chart? Used within a flow chart. Answer. What is the shape of?
Rectangle.
So the
Sir,
answer is
rectangle.
rectangle. Next question. So up to here, everyone is feeling comfortable?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Next question. Next question is, what is the shape of decision box? Decision box used within a flow chart. Used within a flow chart.
Quadrilateral.
The
Sir,
answer
yes,
is,
sir, quadrilateral.
the answer is not quadrilateral. Yes, quadrilateral is the right answer. Those who are telling quadrilateral, it is right answer. But if the option is, so Tufan sir already covered what is quadrilateral. Yes, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir. So try to understand here. If the options is like this: rectangle, square, not square, rectangle, circle. First one is rectangle, second one is circle, third one is suppose parallelogram, and D is what? Kite. So everyone try to understand here. So the rectangle is also a quadrilateral. Right? Circle is not a quadrilateral. Parallelogram is also one quadrilateral. So kite is also a quadrilateral. So out of these quadrilateral, ये सारे के सारे ही quadrilateral है. Circle is the wrong answer. जो options दिया है, according to the option, circle is the wrong answer. So three options are the possibilities. Out of three only, either D or either C or A. Why? Because rectangle is also a quadrilateral, parallelogram is also a quadrilateral, kite is also a quadrilateral, right? But out of these quadrilaterals, the answer is this one, kite. It is kite. समझ में आ रहा है? This one is rectangle is the wrong answer. Parallelogram is the wrong answer. Kite is the correct answer. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If the question is for the decision box, so you are going to write what? You are not going to write the answer. You have to just select the answer. आपके पास आंसर जो है दिया है, multiple choice questions will be given to you. So you have to just select the answer. Not you will not write the answer. Just you have to select the answer. आपके पास लिखने का ऑप्शन नहीं है. Just you have to choose your answer. Means the exam pattern is multiple choice question, right? So multiple options will be given. Out of that options, which one is the correct answer? You have to just select that answer. So at that time you have to select this kite. ठीक है ना? अब जिसने भी बोला quadrilateral is also correct answer. If the options will be like this, If the options is like this, quadrilateral is there, quadrilateral. Circle is there. Suppose here something other will be there. Triangle will be there. Triangle will be there. And here none. That means coincidence. So triangle is wrong answer. Circle is wrong answer. In that case, quadrilateral is the correct answer. समझ रहे हैं? According to the question, according to the options, you have to write the answer. Yes,
Sir,
yes.
if
Anyone?
there will be, yes, sir, if there will be quadrilateral and kite both, then
If quadrilateral and kite both will be there, then also the answer is kite, right? So in that case also the answer will be kite. If both will be there, the answer is kite, right? And both will not be given in the exam. Exam
okay, sir.
नहीं दिया रहेगा, ठीक है ना? Options will be given in such a way that you can select the correct answer, right? So see here everyone, in this way the question will be there. Rectangle. So here what is the shape of processing box? In the flowchart, the answer is rectangle. Answer is rectangle. What is the shape of decision box used within a flowchart? The answer is kite. Right? Everyone is comfortable up to here?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Now I am removing the questions.
Yes, sir.
Now the next set of questions.
Yes.
Try to answer. Yes. Next question is, try to answer this question everyone. In a flow chart, what is the shape of input output box? What is the shape of input output box? The options will be like that. See here. Option is rectangle. Option is parallelogram. Option C, kite. And option D, what? Option D is circle. Which one is the correct answer?
Sir, may I tell?
Yes, you can tell.
Sir, B.
So B is the
Sir, B.
B is the correct answer.
Right.
Parallelogram. Parallelogram is the correct answer. Right. All these are
Yes.
quadrilateral. See here, all these are
Yes.
quadrilateral. ये सारे के सारे quadrilateral हैं, ठीक है ना? Rectangle is also one of the quadrilateral.
Okay, sir.
Parallelogram is also one of the quadrilateral. Kite
Okay,
is
sir.
also one of the quadrilateral. All those things in your math class, Tufan sir will take. If not yet covered,
Okay, sir.
cover in the coming sessions. So the answer is parallelogram, right? In the answer is parallelogram. Now the next
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
question, everyone answer the next question. Try to answer the next question. Yes,
Sir, background जा रहा है.
what happened?
बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रहा है, बैकग्राउंड से.
Yes, now answer the question. If you don't know the answer, these things will be in your mind. So dash shows the direction in which the program is moving. Dash shows the direction in which the program is moving. Answer this question. Yes, everyone, answer this question. Dash shows the direction. Yes.
आवाज को म्यूट करने के लिए आवाज अब क्लियर नहीं आ रहा है. बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आ रहा है. अपना म्यूट करिए ना. आप खुद होगी म्यूट वाली.
Answer this question. So dash shows the direction in which the program is moving. So the answer is Flow chart. Flow
chart.
is the wrong answer. Flow lines shows the direction in which the program is moving. Flow lines. Flow lines is the right answer. Flow lines shows the direction in which the program is moving. Flow lines shows the direction in which the program is moving. Right? Different flow lines are there. Different flow lines are there. Clear to everyone?
Yes.
Yes. Flow lines indicate. Next question. Everyone try to answer the next question. The intersection of column and row is called as fill in the blanks. The intersection of row and column is called as fill in the blanks. Everyone answer this question. Intersection of row and column is called intersection of row and column is called as cell. The right answer is cell. Everyone. Next question, try to understand, answer this question. Which function key is used to update total in a cell? Which function key is used to update total in a cell? Which?
F2.
F2 is the?
Sir, F2.
Yes, F2 is the wrong answer. F2 is the wrong answer. Answer everyone. Others also try. Which function is used to update the total? F9 is the correct answer. F9 is the correct answer. Which function key is used to update total in a cell? The answer is F9. Next one is tables group present on dash tab. Tables group is present on dash tab.
Insert tab.
Is present on insert tab. Tables group is present on insert tab. Next question is which key should be pressed to move to the previous cell? Which key should be pressed to move to the previous cell? Yes, answer.
Shift plus tab. Shift
plus tab is used to move to the previous cell. Everyone is comfortable up to here or not?
Yes.
Yes. So now I am removing these questions. Next questions.
Yes, sir.
MS Access is the DBMS software. Everyone wait for 2 to 3 minutes here. Don't go here and there. What happened? Just wait for 2 minutes. Which is not now the next one is